Hello everybody! Today we're going to be doing an easy song and it's Down in the Valley. I'm going to be playing it with two chords and it's easy F or F add 9 and C7. If you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. That way you can find all of my future content. And not all of it's beginner. There's a good mixture of things, but I think you'll find if you either teach or if you're just starting ukulele, these are some great songs to get started with. I'll have about 10 of these by the end of the year. So one more note on this, you're gonna see me strumming like this. And you can totally do that as well, but if you are just starting and you wanna have something simple to play, you can just do 3 down strums. The very first down strum is a little heavier than the other two. That's normally how it's played in 3/4 time. Hope you enjoy. 1, 2, 3. Down in the valley, valley so low.